If you're a woman manager and you know that tomorrow you will go to a TV studio to give an interview, I bet you will spend some time thinking about what to wear. Here are a few tips to help you with your choices. First of all, whatever outfit you may choose, make sure that it allows a simple installation of a portable microphone, particularly if you're going to stand when you give the interview. A one-piece dress might not be the best idea because it will take time to get the cable under the dress. Also, it could be a good idea to wear a belt because it would allow a simple installation of the battery of the portable microphone. Second, if you decide to wear something which is very rich, colorful, patterned, flowery, this may make it difficult for the viewers to focus on your face. Camera emphasizes everything that it catches. That's why it would be good to wear simple colors that put you in the best light. Third, remember to breathe. You need to feel comfortable and wear something in which you feel good. A friend of mine put it that we women got rid of corsets long ago, and however, today we squeeze our belly to make sure that we look slimmer. What we do, in fact, is to prevent ourselves from breathing. So wear something in which you feel really comfortable. Last but not least, unless it is a matter of your public image, make sure that you choose your jewelry also consciously. Very large, shiny, noisy jewelry might not be the best choice for the camera. Remember, you can communicate powerfully. Respect your dressing style, but understand the rules of the game. Then go out there and make a difference.